day guys, how are you guys doing? And I'm back with another video. So this was the last breakdown that I made on gold, but I don't want to be analyzing gold. I just want to jump to I just want to analyze US30. Yes, US30. So as we've seen there, bro, US30 is broke all-time highs. This is interesting, guys. Very this is interesting for us. Let me just do this, guys. Let me just go to the monthly time frame, just for it's a kind of like a recap for some of the guys that as you've seen, guys, price has been moving up, man. US30 has been like, we know that US30, do you know that this market is ruled by the bulls? We know that this is a bull's crowd. We know, hence we've just seen price going up. Understand? So we understand what's happening. We understand that, okay, cool, US30, do your thing. This type of things, so hence when US30 is breaking the all-time highs, I'm not surprised. I'm not. It's what it's supposed to do that, from my point of view. I don't know about you guys, but then I understand that when we see US30 doing that, it's doing its job, it's doing what it's supposed to do, from my point of view, from what I understand when I analyze US30. Understand? I seriously think that and I see US30, man, it's just a bullish market. All of the the corrections, they happen because the market moves in impulse correction. So they are valid. So I don't get super surprised when I see price doing this. You understand? So price came back here, and it, man, US30, US30 and price action, man, is super clean, man. Like it broke here, it kind of retested, but then it went up. But then you can see how it went up. It was going so slowly, but then look at that correction. After the correction, price moved up. Then yeah, so we now here price USDT has broken all-time highs, which is super good, because of we are gonna see what's gonna happen from this point. Already it's giving us a retest again, showing us it's gonna probably go up again. Bruh, as US30, man, I love this pair, man. I love this pair based on the price action. The price action is clean, and one thing about US30 is that we don't need to be going too hard on US30. I seriously think that what I do is I always wait for price to tell me what's going to happen. Just like here, I'm not going to act impulsively, because of, remember, as much as it broke the all-time highs, as much as we say that it retested, price could respect this newly reformed resistance and go back. Who knows? But then if price breaks this resistance and retests it and gives us a clean buy entry, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enter. But then from here, I'm not going to act, man. I'm seriously not going to act. Here, as you've seen, because look at that, there's a resistance, the newly formed resistance. Price broke all-time highs, went down to fetch whatever, I don't know what you guys call it, but then yeah, price came back again here to I don't know what price was trying to do here, but hence I'm saying that we always wait for price action to tell us what's going to happen. Hence me, I always have two biases, because I don't want to guess, I don't want to do that to myself, but I would rather be real with myself enough to know that, okay, cool, if I see price approaching here and breaking and retesting and giving us a clean foundation of a support indicating to us that it's going to go up. Look man, I'm going to enter buys. That's all. You understand? That's all. You know, trading all-time highs is kind of scary, but at the same time it's good because you don't know where price is gonna end up. There's something good about trading a market that's just going up, because you can just go up all the way up, all the way up, all the way, just creating new supports and things like that. And again, that's my other bias on the buy. You know, if that happens, if price really breaks there and gives us a solid support to indicate price going up, but then if this resistance gets really respected like that, like gets respected, look man, I'm going to just sell this. You know, I'm just going to sell this to I'll probably sell this all the way down there, you know, something like that. Then from here I think I'll just close my positions, because again guys, me, what I do is I trade what I see and I trade what price is telling me at the moment. So I don't really like you know, having a buyers like that and be like, I'm just gonna buy. You say I'm just, no, I seriously, you know, trade what I see and I trade what price is telling me and I act upon it, you know, after serious confirmations. If no, there is no confirmation, price will rather move without me, it's fine. I don't really be chasing price like that. But then if something is telling me and the market is telling me that no man, I've created enough support for you, you can enter your buys of I've created enough resistance to show you that I'm gonna go back down, why not sell? You know, that's how I just trade. I don't really like complicating my system like that. But then guys, I don't want to go too deep into this. Thank you guys if you watched the video till the end. Yeah, my main point is that we've seen that US30 broke all-time highs. So what we're waiting for is waiting for price to break there, or wait for price to, you know, we're waiting for price to break all this resistance, break, retest, give us a solid support, like a solid one. That's just gonna prove to us that price is gonna skyrocket. If that does not happen, we're waiting for this resistance to be really respected like that, to be able to indicate a sell to us. That's where we're gonna enter sales. You know, that's how simple. I'm just keeping up with this is how simple my analysis are. Nothing too complicated, no indicator, no what. We're just trading price action. Again guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I think it's already too long for you guys, but then I don't want to judge anybody. But then guys, have a good day, have a good trading week, have a successful trading month, and I wish everybody the best. Thank you guys.